Let's look at how to use two-sided material. Napkins on the table are made of single-layer mesh. Apply any fabric material to napkins. Applying the material doesn't work, as you remember all decor objects are merged into a single actor. To apply a material to the asset, you first need to select the actor, then the instant static mesh component in the Details panel. If you view it from the back, the napkins are completely transparent. In this situation you need to use two-sided material. Let's create it. Go to the folder with the preset of parent material. Create a duplicate. Give a new name with the ending two-sided. Open the material editor. Select material. On the left panel find two-sided and activate it. Apply changes. Create an instance material and apply it to the asset. Now the mesh transparency problem is solved. Perform material setup.